Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to support. So guys, in today's video we are going to be making this very effective hairspray to control hair loss and grow your natural hair thicker and longer using only two natural ingredients. So guys, if this sounds like something you're interested in, keep watching and let's just dive straight into the preparation. Firstly, we need a bowl to prepare this spray, and we're also going to be using only two natural ingredients to make this hairspray. And the first one is cinnamon stick. Cinnamon helps to promote hair length, density, and growth. It prevents damaged hair and treats scalp infection. Cinnamon also helps in treating head lice. It stimulates hair growth and reduces hair loss. You can use cinnamon powder. It's also going to give you the same result. So I'm only going to be using one stick of cinnamon. My next ingredient is hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus helps to stop hair loss. It prevents premature growing, it thickens hair and promotes longer hair. It also prevents split ends and trade dandruff. So guys, have you subscribed to my channel? Please, if you have not, click on the red subscribe button to be subscribed to my channel. It really helps my channel a lot. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend this video to other people who will benefit from it. And if you're generous enough, you can share it to your family and friends. So guys, next thing, I added 500 ml of hot water to infuse the ingredients. So guys, our effective hairspray to control hair loss is ready, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to apply this. So guys, this is what my hair is looking like right now. I'm just going ahead to apply the spray all over my hair, my scalp, my hairlines, my roots, and everywhere, just to make sure that every part of my hair is benefiting from this hairspray. So guys, I'm going to be using this spray 3 to 4 times in a week to moisturize my hair, and I'm not going to be washing this out because I don't want to wash out the benefit I'm trying to get. This spray helps to improve natural hair density. It helps to to treat hair lice, it helps to condition your scalp. Like, it's loaded with lots of benefits. So just make sure you try it out, and don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Like I said before, guys, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. It really helps my channel a lot, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.